calories in.
First one out.
Hi, I'm Mike Gotcom.
Mike Gotcom is a Foley artist and a registered sex offender in the states of North and South Dakota.
Today we're going to be breaking down sound effects in Hollywood. For those who don't know, a Foley artist is a person who makes the sound effects that you hear every day in movies and TV. The term comes from Mick Foley, a pro wrestler who was famous for making a lot of noises in the ring. The Undertaker was once quoted as saying, "That guy makes a lot of noises in the ring." That level of notoriety helped him to earn the nickname, the Man of 1,000 Moans. Okay, let's listen to our first sound effect. Okay, starting off with a bang. Now, this is one of those sounds that seems simple on the surface, but in reality takes quite a bit of technique to get down right. Now, the most common method is to cup your hands over your mouth and blow fast air, like so. Hard to learn, even harder to master. Now this is day one stuff, not hard, not very impressive, like so. You know, funny story actually, the guy who recorded this sound died. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Is it cool if I take it? No, thanks. Yeah, visitation every other weekend. And I want half of our Frasier DVDs. No, there's no prenup. Well, if you can't handle that, then what am I paying you for? Listen, I'm a little busy right now. Can I just call you back later? All right, thanks. Oh, sorry about that. That was my attorney. Anyway. Now this is a classic sound, easily in my top 5. Now, this was originally recorded using 2 revolvers and... God damn it. Sorry, again, just 1 second. Yep. Yeah, I know I had community service today. But I can make up the hours later. It's not a big deal, right? This is a big thing for my career, okay? I could become the Kevin Spacey of Foley artists. Pre-2017. Doubling my hours. It was 1 DUI. Is this not a free country? I can't deal with this right now, okay? I'll call you back, all right? Thanks. No, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, no, I can keep doing the interview. It's not, just don't worry about it, all right? Just don't worry about it. Okay, this sound really funny story. When Reagan was still in office, I'm sorry, it's my doctor. Sorry, I just gotta take this real quick. Yeah? What do you mean the vasectomy didn't take?